Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Telegram verification code by SMS. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, how to get Telegram verification code by SMS. Okay, we have 6 steps. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Enter your phone number. If you are not already logged in, enter your phone number to access your account. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Two-Step Verification. Enable this feature and set up a password for added security. Step 4. Receive SMS verification code. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, Telegram will prompt you to enter a verification code. Select the option to receive the code via SMS. Step 5. Enter the code. You will receive an SMS with a unique verification code. Enter this code into the Telegram app to complete the verification process. Step 6. Confirmation. Once the code is entered correctly, your account will be verified and two-factor authentication will be successfully set up. And that's it, guys. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.